Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit on your Ally bank account. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want direct deposit straight into their Ally checkings or Ally savings account. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to log into your Ally bank, and then you're going to be on the snapshot page. Next, you want to click on profile on the bottom hand side, and then from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says direct deposit. So click on direct deposit. Next, you need to click on the toggle menu to decide where you want to deposit your money into. So if you click on that toggle menu, a drop-down menu is going to appear. And then once you select the correct account, you want to click on See Account and Routing Info. Now what you see here is just some blurred out information, but you want to make sure that you keep this routing number and account info to actually send to your employer so that they can get the direct deposit. You could also download or generate a pre-filled form and send that to your employer as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up direct deposit on Ally Bank. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.